Hey guys, it's Joey from Low and Slow Barbecue, and today we're going to be cooking, and we're going to be cooking some pork chops and some pork tenderloin. Okay guys, as you can tell, we have some pork loin here, a couple different types, and we have some pork chops. We've already got them seasoned up. We're fixing to toss them on this smoker. Let's check these guys out. Alright, our pork is looking good, our pork chops is looking good, and our chicken looking fantastic. We're just going to kind of rotate some of this meat. Alright, so it's been a long day of smoking, so let's see what we got here. We got some pork chops. Those babies look good, man. Everything's cooked to temp. Got a nice pork loin. Look at that fat on there. Some nice grill marks on there. That stuff's still hot. Pork tenderloin, a different type, different seasoning on here. Alright guys, now we're down to the final stretch. Before we get started, we always want to sharpen our knives. I'm going to post a link in the description for this knife sharpener. It works great. Just push your knife in the center. You can tilt it forward like this if it's more dull. Well, less dull it is, tilt it back. Let's get into some of these pork chops here. So let's check this guy out. Man, that is some good looking pork chop to me. Got it cooked all the way through. A little bit of a smoke ring there. Looking good. So let's try some of this tenderloin here. See what we got. Oh yeah. Looks real good. Nice and moist. Cooked all the way. Now we have this other tenderloin that we cooked. As you can see, it's got this huge piece of fat on there. I left that on there intentionally because I wanted to cook through all of that, get some of that flavor in with it. Well, let's check this big guy out. Let's get him laid down there. Look at that. Guys, I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's a smoke ring. That was with no pellet tubes today, no smoker tubes. However, we would have had an even bigger smoke tube had we put, or a bigger smoke ring had we put those tubes in there. So guys, this was a great day. We have some awesome food here. I hope you guys enjoy as much as I did. Bonus footage, guys. Traeger came out with this, and it's a really nice little magnet that goes on your smoker. It tells you that fish is ready at 145, chicken or poultry 165, pork, like your pork chops and things like that, are 145, 205 if you're going in there for like a pulled pork butt or pork shoulder, and then it gives you the different specifications for beef depending on how you like it to taste, guys. Good stuff here, man. Awesome. I'll also be posting a link in the description below. You can order one of these off of Amazon. Make sure to pick one up. So we had an awesome day, man. That was some great chicken. We cooked some pork chops. We cooked all kind of different things with our pork, all kind of different marinades. We cooked some whole chicken. We cooked some chicken breast. We had all kind of cool stuff going on today. Remember, if you liked what you saw today, share it with your friends. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the like button down there and subscribe for more great content. And remember, guys, keep it low and slow. We'll be seeing you.